Hey guys, it's Mr. B here. So I'm doing an AC recharge on this 2013 Nissan Altima, and I've been having troubles getting the AC compressor to kick on. I'm just using the cans and charging it with my gauge set through the low side. And I've been having issues with the AC compressor kicking on. And normally what I do is I just bypass the relay. But the problem on these cars is the AC relay is integral to this circuit board, this module. So if you want to bypass the module, bypass the relay, and bypass the electronics to get your first can of refrigerant into the system and kick on the AC compressor, this blue wire right here is the one you need to send power to from the battery, and that kicks on the AC compressor. I can go ahead and shut the vehicle off and let you listen to it. So you can hear that click. That is me bypassing the relay and the electronics in the vehicle to kick on the AC compressor to get that refrigerant into the system when it's empty. Hope you found this helpful. Please go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks.